Samsung is ramping up the excitement around foldable phones, aiming to make these futuristic devices a staple for everyone. What's up guys, welcome back to TechFlix. Let's take a quick look on everything we know about the Galaxy Z Flip 6 so far. According to rumors, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will pack a powerful 8 Gen 3 chipset coupled with 12GB of RAM, which will boost the performance and multitasking capabilities. One of the most anticipated upgrades is in the battery department. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 had some issues with its battery life, but according to the latest leaks, Galaxy Z Flip 6 might turn the things around with an improved 4000 mAh battery. Spotted on the FCC certification site, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 reveals a few more interesting details. Charging at 25 watts, it will house two internal batteries for a total close enough to 4000 mAh. But the battery isn't the only thing getting an upgrade. Samsung is pushing the envelope with AI features tailored for foldables, promising a future-proof device with 7 years of software updates. While we don't have a confirmed price yet, we can make an educated guess. If the history repeats itself, we are looking at a launch price around $999, similar to the Z Flip 5. As we inch closer to the official reveal, the mix of rumors and leaks create an interesting picture. A term Iron Flex has popped up, hinting at a new level of durability with possibly a tougher foldable screen. High-resolution renders suggest that Z Flip 6 will have a slightly thicker body to accommodate the larger battery. Plus, there is buzz about new colors: light blue, light green, silver and yellow. The excitement around the new device is noticeable, driven by its sleeker design, less pronounced crease and bigger battery. While we should take these rumors with a pinch of salt, if they hold true, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 could be a major leap forward. It's set to make waves in the competitive foldable market filled with eager tech enthusiasts. As we eagerly await more official details, the promise of dust-proofing along with the water resistance hints at a device built for durability and innovation. We can't wait for this new device to hit the shelves and set new standards for foldable smartphones. That's it for today guys. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Flip 6? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech related leaks and updates. See you in the next video.